Hello everyone, I am going to explain question number 7 from exercise 9.2 and this question belongs from 11th class maths. Find the sum of n terms of the AP whose kth term is 5k plus 1. So here we have to find out the sum of n terms of AP and kth term is available to us. So we will start first by the given thing right here, that is since kth term is equal to 5k plus 1. So AK is equal to 5k plus 1. So it's a short form of kth term. Kth term short form is AK. Now to find out the sum of n terms of the AP, we need the first term and common difference. That's why with the help of AK we can calculate the first term. So we'll write down here, which implies first term, that is A1. So instead of k we'll write down 1. So it's going to be 5 multiplied by 1 plus 1. It's going to be 6. And we need the common difference. For common difference we need the second term also. So we'll write here and second term is equal to A2 is equal to 5 multiplied by 2 plus 1 is equal to 11. So what we have done is AK is available to us. So wherever k is there, when we'll calculate the first term, instead of k we have to write down 1, and when we'll calculate the second term, then instead of k we have to replace the k by 2. Now after finding the first term and second term, now we'll calculate the common difference. So we'll write down here. So common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is 11 minus 6, 5. Now we'll write down the formula of sum of n terms because we have to calculate on that only. So we'll write down here, since sum of n terms of an AP is Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. So now instead of a and d, we will replace a by the first term, that is 6, and instead of d we will replace it by 5. So we will get here, so Sn is equal to, and we don't know, we have to calculate Sn only. So instead of n we are not going to replace it by anyone. So 2 multiplied by a is 6 plus n minus 1 as it is, and d is 5. Now we open it. So in next step we are going to get it as n upon 2 bracket 12 plus 5n minus 5 bracket close, and it's going to be n upon 2 bracket 7 plus 5n, and now further we cannot solve it, so it's our final answer. So sum of n terms of an AP is n upon 2 bracket 7 plus 5n. So it's our answer. So in answer also we will write it. So answer is n upon 2 bracket 5n plus 7. Now we are going to solve the next question also. So the next question is question number 8th. Question 8th is, if the sum of n terms, if the sum of n terms of an AP is bracket Pn plus Qn square, where P and Q are constants so find the common difference. So this is the question. So here the sum of n terms of an AP is given to us. So with the help of this sum we have to calculate the common difference, and here P and Q, this P and Q are some constants. So we will start it. Sum of n terms, we will write here solution. Here sum of n terms is equal to Pn plus Qn square. This is given to us, so which implies sum of n terms, in short we can write it as Sn. So Sn is given to us Pn plus Qn square. Now we have to find the common difference. So for it I am going to calculate the first term of firstly I am going to calculate S1, which implies S1 is equal to, so wherever n is there we will replace it by 1, so we will get here P multiplied by 1 plus Q multiplied by 1 square, that is P plus Q. And in the same way we have to calculate the S2 also, because I will tell you why I need it. So P multiplied by 2 plus Q multiplied by 2 square, that will give us 2P plus 4Q. So I hope it's clear to you. With the help of Sn I calculated S1 and S2. So now with the help of these two terms we are going to calculate the first term and the common difference. Now let's see how. Firstly we will write here, since A1 is S1, that you already had in your 10th class, that is the first term is itself S1. So we will get here the first term as P plus Q, and it's a very important result. Sum of one term means first term only, so indirectly it's first term, that is P plus Q. Now you had one more formula in our 10th class, that is An. An formula is Sn minus 1. Now from here if I want A2 formula, then it's going to be A2 minus S1. So this formula is also we had used in 10th class, from that I just using it. So A2, now A2 we are going to calculate. Now S2 is what? 2P plus 4Q we had calculated here. Now minus S1 is this, so we will write here. So sign will change, so it's going to be minus P and minus Q. Now when we simplify it we will get here P plus 3Q. So now we calculated A2 and we have A1 also. So with the help of A2 and A1 we can calculate the common difference. So we are going to write down here. So common difference is equal to A2 minus A1. What is A2's value is P plus 3Q and A1 value is P plus Q. Now we will open the bracket, so we will get here P plus 3Q minus P minus Q, that will give you the answer 2Q. So this question is completed. The common difference we obtained as 2Q. So in this formula I used, because you already familiar from this formula, very frequently we had used in 10th class. So I hope it's clear to you. In the same way just try the remaining questions, and if you have any problem in any particular question, then in comment you just write down that question number, so I will solve it and I will upload the video. Thank you.